In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or replace an email user in Google Ads. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Google Ads account and that you have permission to manage users. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, you may need someone with admin rights to complete this for you. Open your Google Ads account. From there, go to the admin section, then open Access and Security. This is your control center for user management. You'll see a list of everyone who currently has access, their roles, and whether any access is set to expire. To add a new person, enter their email address in the invite field. Take a moment to double-check the spelling and that you're using the email they intend to use for sign-in. If it's wrong, they won't receive the invitation or be able to accept it. Next, choose Access Expires if you want their access to end automatically on a specific date. This is especially helpful for agencies, contractors, auditors, or anyone working with you temporarily. Set a date that aligns with your timeline. If you want their access to remain ongoing, simply leave the expiration blank. Now, select the account access level. Admin grants full control, including adding and removing users. Standard allows someone to create and manage campaigns without user administration. Read-only limits them to viewing performance and settings without making changes. Pick the minimum level that lets them do what they need. This is a good security practice and reduces the risk of accidental changes. When everything looks right, send the invitation. The person will receive an email from Google Ads, remind them to open it, and accept using the same email you entered. Until they accept, their status will show as pending in Access and Security, and they won't be able to sign in. If you're replacing someone, wait until the new user has accepted and you've confirmed that they can access what they need. Then, still in the Access and Security page, remove the access of the user you're replacing. This keeps your account tidy and ensures there's no confusion about who is responsible for managing campaigns. Removing a user does not delete campaigns, budgets, or historical data. It only stops their ability to access the account. Finally, it's smart to keep a quick record of who has access, their role, and any expiration dates, and to review this list periodically, especially after team changes. That's it. You've added the new user, set the right permissions and expiration if needed, sent the invitation, and safely removed the outgoing user.